Hello. This is you. And this is your profession. Or this. In short, you dictate a lot. And this is me. My name is Mike, SpeechMike, and I'm your best friend in dictation. Come on, have a look. This is what makes me outstanding. First, my audio benefits. Superior audio quality for crystal clear playback. Noise-canceling microphone for accurate speech recognition results. Second, my design benefits. Ergonomic design for one-thumb operation. Antimicrobial surface for improved hygiene. Third, my workflow benefits. Geared for speech recognition software. Integrated barcode scanner for an efficient documentation process. I'm excellent, aren't I? I'm sure you'll fall in love with me. Simply working smarter with digital document creation. From the #1 in professional dictation